Okay, hey, what's up, you guys? It's Flash Anime Blast here, and I'm back with one of my first unboxing on this channel. This is, if you guys are going back to school, this will be a good phone for you guys. It's the Sony Xperia Play. Say if you gotta take the train or you're bored, you can just slide up, play some games, and just have fun. This is the first powered PlayStation Android phone. This one is powered by Verizon. I did not get the AT&T one because of retail reasons. So here you guys with the phone unboxing. It's Android gingerbread. Uh, um, yeah, Sony Ericsson. So here we are with the Android powered device right here. You guys, uh, slides up, slides down. It feels very nice. You have a kind of like shiny feel, just like the PS3, and feels like awesome. Have the buttons. These are buttons. The buttons are really respondable, but I'm gonna show you the games later in the unboxing. So here you go with the gingerbread phone. Yeah. Alright. Let me show you what else comes with the pack. Okay. So you have the charger, the headphone adapter in case you buy any other headphones you could buy any other headphones, but these are the adapter so you can connect it to the Sony Ericsson Play. Here's the charger. This is power brick. This is the wires for the phone, so you can charge it. It's a USB connection, so it's pretty cool. Oh yeah, and you guys, I don't know if you guys seen the latest manga for Naruto, but you know that it's the Tobi's face has been revealed. It's Obito Uchiha. The dialogue, they didn't have much dialogue, so I don't have much to talk about. They were just starting off with saying a little bit about Obito's life and him fighting Guy. I had no idea that he fought Guy, which was pretty good. I can't wait for the next chapter. I'm not surprised that it's Obito because we had this theory for a while. So you guys, that was pretty much it on the whole Obito is Tobi. It has more to do with Izuna, I think, and it's more than what we expect. But yeah, this is the charger. The power brick. And the adapter. Alright, now let's get more into the phone. Okay. Alright. So you got got the menus. You got the weather. Got the weather menu. Sorry, I'm just doing it from my computer's webcam. You got 3 main screens. This is the original screen. You have a camera, browser, Bruce Lee, the games, many other stuff that you guys can have fun with. You got the Android market, Crash Bandicoot it's a PlayStation exclusive for PS1. Pretty cool. And these are your other stuff. You got Facebook on here. And now for the big part of the phone, the gaming. So when you start with the gaming, it will show this screen. You have Bruce Lee, many other games you can choose from Bruce Lee, Crash Bandicoot, Madden 11, Sims 3, more games, except, let's see, you can buy this from the market. I know I was playing Battlefield and Modern Warfare 2. They have a lot more games, Monopoly. It's a whole this title, but yeah. let's get back into the Xperia games. So the game, I'll just show you guys one game because I don't want to make this video too long. I'll show you Bruce Lee. The sound is pretty legit on this too. I don't want any sound. Just play quick play. Let's play versus Bruce. Okay, I'm using this guy. His name is Shenlo versus Bruce Lee himself. It's gonna take a while to load. Let's just start the match. Okay. So look, controls are very responsible. Aw, man. Oh, Shilu ka ka chun chun katsunin chu. Korede saingoda. If I lose, korede sayoda. I'm pretty bad at these games, so I think I'll... Yeah, I'm beating Bruce Lee's ass. I win. And that's pretty much it with the Sony Xperia Play. Hope you guys like it. It's Flash Anime Blast here. And I'm out.